Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jaswinder Kaur. Today I am going to discuss fourth part of series 600 most expected questions of ecology and environment. This series is compilation of previous year's questions asked in different competitive exams like TGT, PGT, college lecturer, assistant professors, all state PCS and MSc entrance exams. अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल आइकन to get the latest notifications of videos uploaded. Let's start. Monoclimax theory of climax community was proposed by Clements in 1961. Which of the following is a non-biodegradable material? Among these non-biodegradable material is lead, and cloth, leather and wood are biodegradable materials. Which of the following biogeochemical cycle is of sedimentary type? Among these we have to find the sedimentary type of biogeochemical cycle, and that is the phosphorus cycle. And other three, that is carbon, nitrogen and oxygen, these are the gaseous cycles. The organic gaseous pollutants of air are, organic gaseous pollutants air के इसमें से है hydrogen cyanide and peroxyacetyl nitrate, that is PAN. Plants adapted to grow in acidic soils are termed as, जो plant acidic soil में grow करते हैं they are called as oxalophytes. Viviparous germination is found in, viviparous germination is also called as precocious or the premature germination. It involves germination of seeds while still they are on the parent plant. और ये कहाँ मिलती हैं? In hydrophytes. It is observed in hydrophytes. Which of the following soil types has maximum water holding capacity? कितना ज़्यादा जो maximum water hold कर सकता है, that capacity is maximum in clay soils or in clays. The phytoplanktons in ponds act as, जो planktons होते हैं they are the autotrophic organisms of water and they act as producers. The efficiency of an ecosystem is best depicted by pyramid of, efficiency जो है एक ecosystem की best किससे represent की जा सकती है? By the pyramid of energy, that is the energy pyramid. Which of the following is a correct sequence of food chain? Correct sequence food chain का बताना है इसमें. Phytoplanktons, they are eaten by zooplanktons. Zooplanktons are eaten by insects and then insects are eaten by fish. This is a correct sequence of food chain. Which among the following sites is listed in UNESCO World Heritage Site? इनमें से UNESCO World Heritage Site में include किया गया है Keoladeo National Park को. Keoladeo National Park is in Bharatpur, Rajasthan, and earlier it was known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. And Keoladeo National Park is a famous avifauna sanctuary that hosts thousands of birds, especially during the winter season. Globally threatened bird species is, इसमें से globally threatened bird species है Great Indian Bustard. The food chain which begins with the death of an organism, जो किसी organism की death से start होती है, that is known as detritus food chain. Who coined the term ecosystem? Ecosystem term है that was coined by Tansley in 1935. PAN is, PAN क्या है उसके बारे में बताना है. PAN is the short form for the peroxyacetyl nitrate. The largest and oldest botanical garden of India is situated in, जो largest और oldest botanical garden of India है वो situated है in Sipur, Havra, and it is known as Indian Botanic Garden. It is in Kolkata. Which is not a xerophytic adaptation? इन चारों में से बताना है कौन सी ऐसी एडेप्टेशन है दैट इज़ नॉट प्रेजेंट इन जीरोफिटिक प्लांट्स और दैट इज़ नॉट ए जीरोफिटिक एडेप्टेशन. प्रेजेंस ऑफ वैक्सी कोटिंग ऑन द सरफेस. जीरोफिटिक प्लांट्स में वैक्सी कोटिंग होती है ताकि लॉस ऑफ वाटर जो है उसमें कम हो पाए. देन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एरेनकाइमा. एरेनकाइमा जो है दे आर प्रेजेंट इन हाइड्रोफाइट्स एंड इट इज़ ए हाइड्रोफिटिक एडेप्टेशन नॉट द जीरोफिटिक. तो आंसर हमारा यही है. प्रेजेंस ऑफ कैम फिजियोलॉजी, ये भी होती है जीरोफिटिक प्लांट्स में. देन प्रेजेंस ऑफ कोलिनकाइमेटस सेल्स इन द स्टेम एपिडर्मिस, दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन जीरोफिटिक एडेप्टेशन. सवाना इज अ रीजन विच कंटेन्स. सवाना जो है रीजन उसमें क्या होता है, दे हैव स्कैटर्ड ट्रीज एंड बुशेस. zoological garden are sites of zoological gardens जो हैं they are the sites of ex situ conservations. Edaphic factors refers to, edaphic factors वो होते हैं they are which are concerned with the soil. So edaphic factor refers to the soil. The famous formula expressing the genotypic expectations of progeny in terms of the gametic or allelic frequencies of the parental gene pool was proposed by, it was proposed by Hardy-Weinberg और इसे हम Hardy-Weinberg principle भी बोलते हैं. In which of the following the maximum plant diversity is found? Maximum plant diversity होती है in tropical evergreen forest. Different types of plants यहाँ पे मिलते हैं जैसे herbs, shrubs, lianas, climbers, trees. Primitive atmosphere of earth was, अर्थ पे जो प्रिमिटिव एटमॉस्फेयर था दैट वाज ऑफ रिड्यूसिंग टाइप. एनर्जी फ्लो इन फूड चेन इज ऑलवेज, फूड चेन में जो एनर्जी फ्लो होता है दैट इज ऑलवेज यूनिडायरेक्शनल, दैट मीन्स इट इज नॉन साइक्लिक. The first national park established for conserving wildlife as an integral part of nature in India. जो फर्स्ट नेशनल पार्क एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था फॉर कंजर्विंग वाइल्ड लाइफ वो था दैट वाज द कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क. एंड कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क है उत्तराखंड में. इट वाज एस्टेब्लिश इन 1936 एज हेली नेशनल पार्क टू प्रोटेक्ट द एंडेंजर्ड बंगाल टाइगर्स. Project Musk Deer was launched in 1974. Musk Deer project जो है that was launched in केदारनाथ नेशनल पार्क. Consider the following pairs. इधर जो है इंडस्ट्रीज़ के बारे में बताया गया है and here the pollutant released from these industries and we have to find the correct match. Petroleum refinery, hydrogen sulfide, it is correct. Paints and pigments, nitrobenzene and anilines, tanneries, chlorine and lead. ये सारी की सारी जो मैच हैं वो करेक्ट हैं. सो आवर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 1, 2 and 3. इस पेट्रोलियम रिफाइनरी इंडस्ट्री जो है इट्स रिलीज पॉल्यूटेंट इज हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड. पेंट्स एंड पिगमेंट इंडस्ट्री से नाइट्रोबेंजीन एंड एनिलीन्स रिलीज किए जाते हैं एज ए पॉल्यूटेंट. एंड टेनरीज इंडस्ट्रीज द पॉल्यूटेंट रिलीज इज chlorine and lead. Which one of the following statements is not true about wildlife sanctuary? Wildlife के concern में कौन से statements में true नहीं है? We have to find that. Fauna is protected. Fauna protect किया जाता है. It's true. Grazing is prohibited. It is also true. Hunting is prohibited. It is also true. फ्लोरा एंड अदर फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स कैन बी यूटिलाइज. नो इट्स नॉट ट्रू. हम फ्लोरा को और जितने अदर फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनको यूटिलाइज नहीं कर सकते इन ए वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज विच इज़ नॉट ट्रू फॉर ए वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी इज दिस डी आंसर. Minamata disease results from the release of industrial waste mercury in the water. This is the correct answer. DDT has been banned in many countries because of its, अब DDT जो है बैन किए गए बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स हाई डिग्री ऑफ परसिस्टेंस इन द एनवायरनमेंट. ये जो एनवायरनमेंट में इसकी डिग्री ऑफ परसिस्टेंस है वो बहुत हाई है. एक ट्रॉफिक लेवल से दूसरे ट्रॉफिक लेवल पे जाते रहते इसकी कंसनट्रेशन भी इंक्रीज होती रहती है. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ बैंड इन मैनी कंट्रीज. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट ए फैक्टर फॉर वाइल्ड लाइफ कंजर्वेशन? वाइल्ड लाइफ कंजर्वेशन का फैक्टर नहीं है. लॉस ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ, नो. Deforestation, no. construction of dam? No. All the above given points are not the factors for the wildlife conservation. Red data books are compiled by, red data books जो है वो compile की जाती हैं by IUCN. IUCN is International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. The most limiting factor for the growth of algae on the surface of water in a freshwater ecosystem is the water. जो most limiting factor है algae के लिए in a freshwater ecosystem, that is water. Which one is not an endangered species? इसमें से endangered species नहीं है जो, that is the Indian tiger. ये endangered नहीं है. Otherwise Asiatic lions, Indian crocodile and one-horned rhinoceros, these are the endangered species of India. Which of these is not present in a pond ecosystem? Pond ecosystem में littoral zone होता है, limnatic zone होता है, then profundal zone भी होता है. Abyssal zone जो है, these are present in oceans. Abyssal zone is a layer of the pelagic zone of the ocean, and abyssal is a Greek word और जिसका मतलब होता है bottomless. It is a zone of darkness at the depth of 3000 to 6000 meters in the ocean. So this is not present in pond ecosystem, abyssal zone. लिथोस्फेयर इंक्लूड्स, लिथोस्फेयर को इंक्लूड करता है जो अर्थ की सॉलिड क्रस्ट है, दैट कंस्टिट्यूट द लिथोस्फेयर. इफ ऑल द प्लांट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड डाई, ऑल एनिमल्स विल ऑल्सो डाई ड्यू टू शॉर्टेज ऑफ विच, ड्यू टू द शॉर्टेज ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. प्लांट्स नहीं होंगे तो ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलेगी, और ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलेंगे तो एनिमल्स कांट सर्वाइव. Which one is the sequence of ecosystem? Ecosystem का sequence जो है, first producers, then consumers and then decomposers. A number of natural reserves have been created to conserve specific wildlife. Identify the correct combination from the following. जो correct combination है वो हमें बताना है. काजीरंगा में यहाँ elephant लिखा है. काजीरंगा national park is famous for one-horned rhinoceros. Run of Kutch, yes, it is famous for wild ass. Then Gir forest, it is famous for Asiatic lions, not tigers. And Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, it is famous for golden langur or the panthers. So from these only this second is correct, that is Run of Kutch में वाइल्ड एस को कंजर्व किया जाता है. In which state of India is Chandraprabha Sanctuary situated? Chandraprabha Sanctuary जो है, it is a wildlife sanctuary and it is situated in Chandauli district of Uttar Pradesh. Sariska Tiger Reserve is located in, Sariska Tiger Reserve जो है, that is located in Rajasthan. A high density of protected animals in a national park can result in intra-specific competition. Intra-specific competition result करेगा, क्योंकि intra-specific competition में क्या होता है, it is the competition among the members of the same species for the food as well as shelter. Kanha National Park is located in, Kanha National Park है, that is located in Madhya Pradesh and it is a tiger reserve. Itai disease is associated with, it is associated with cadmium pollution. Cadmium pollution की वजह से Itai disease हो जाता है. Number of biosphere reserves in India. Number of biosphere reserves जो इंडिया में है, they are 18. There are 18 biosphere reserves in India. According to National Forest Policy, how much forest cover should be there in hilly areas? अब according to National Forest Policy, hilly area में forest cover होना चाहिए 67%. Which of these is called terror of Bengal? Terror of Bengal कहा जाता है Eichhornia को, and it is a water hyacinth species, and it is called as terror of Bengal because it is an exotic shrub which strongly competes with the native species and has also eliminated many of them. A plant being eaten by a herbivore which in turn is eaten by a carnivore makes the food chain. अब जब एक प्लांट है वो किसी herbivore को उस प्लांट को खाएगा, then herbivore जो है that is eaten by carnivore, तो it makes a food chain. Relationship in an ecosystem can be depicted through. Relationship ecosystem की represent की जा सकती है through the pyramid of energy, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of number, all of the above. तो तीनों के थ्रू ही relationship of ecosystem can be depicted. Terracing is an effective method of soil conservation. ये effective method है terracing in hilly areas. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.